Big news from Indian cricket today. Rishabh Pant is back. After months of rehab, rest and recovery, the man who lights up every stadium he walks into is all set to return to competitive cricket. And guess what? He is coming back as captain. Pant has been named the captain of the India A side for the upcoming Red Ball series against South Africa A. A massive step towards his full comeback to international cricket. Now let's rewind a little. Remember that he had a nasty foot injury during the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy against England in July. That one blow in Manchester forced Pant to miss the Asia Cup and the West Indies Test series as well. A tough break for a player who was in serious form. Now, while Sanju Samson took up the gloves in Asia Cup and Dhruv Jurel stepped up in the West Indies Test series, fans were left wondering, when will Rishabh Pant return? Well, the wait is finally over. Pant will now feature in both four-day India A matches starting October 10th in Bengaluru, right before India's home test series against South Africa that begins on the 14th of November. Perfect timing, right? That's just a warm-up. It's a full-scale, it's not just a warm-up, it's a full-scale audition for the comeback. The matches will be of quality and he will have the leadership responsibility. If there's one way to announce your return, this is it. Let's talk about the squads. They look interesting for the first match. Pant will lead a young lineup featuring Ayush Matre, Rajat Patidar, Devdutt Padikkal and vice-captain Sai Sudarshan. And watch out for the bowlers as well. Anshul Kamboj and Yash Thakur have been making some serious noise. For the second match, things get even more stacked. KL Rahul joins in along with Mohammad Siraj, Prasidh Krishna as well as Ruturaj Gaikwad. That's basically half a senior Indian squad right there. Clearly, selectors are giving Rishabh Pant every chance to find rhythm before that big South Africa Test series, which is crew to the World Test Championship matches. Meanwhile, the senior team is still busy. In white ball series against Australia, Shubman Gill is leading, and yes, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are back in the Blues after Champions Trophy, which they won earlier this year. But all eyes now shift to Pant because this comeback isn't just about recovery, it's about revival. From the accident to missing major tournaments to now leading an Indian A side, this comeback story already feels very, very special. So October 30th, mark your calendars. Rishabh Pant leads India A in Bengaluru and the countdown to his test return officially begins.